A woman asked me to authenticate a ring owned by Babe Ruth.
Wow, the Bambino.
Well, who would have guessed this case would lead me to a ring of a completely different kind?
You know, I really don't want to have to sell my father's ring. I really don't.
When someone's in a hurry to unload family heirlooms, it usually means financial problems. Something in my gut told me to probe my client's motivation a little deeper.
Who's Bradley?
This gentleman that I was involved with, and he's a very successful financial planner. And I met him through a very high-end dating service.
That's a scam.
There he is, there he is.
I had to use every available resource to solve this one. And what we uncovered
It's her.
was unbelievable.
Oh, no freaking way. I'm Vinnie Parco, private investigator, a PI. These are my real cases. Welcome to my world. Welcome to Parco PI.